Let us know about these famous Bollywood stars who have become extremely poor now and living in poverty. Govinda. In the 2000s, Govinda stopped getting work and his financial condition became so bad that he did not have money to pay his driver. Without any work for the last 10 decades, Govinda's financial condition has become very bad. Aisha Takia. After working in many successful movies, Aisha Takia disappeared from the screen. Due to not getting films for many years, Aisha was forced to say goodbye to Bollywood and is now going through a bad financial crisis. Farid Khan. Farid Khan's career also got devastated with the death of his father Feroz Khan in 2009. After this, Farid Khan became so depressed that he was always in a state of intoxication. Along with this, he got into a huge financial debt. Tanushri Datta. After getting involved in many controversies, film offers stopped coming to Tanushri Datta. With time, her financial condition also deteriorated. Ruslan Mumtaz. When Ruslan stopped getting offers from Bollywood, he started working on the small screen. But even those shows did not do well. He is going through a bad financial situation now. Preeti Zinta. Preeti Zinta had invested all her financial savings in the movie Ishq in Paris. But this movie flopped badly and Preeti got into a huge debt. She is not getting work and on top of that, this huge loan amount made Preeti's situation even worse. Harman Baweja. The financial condition of Bollywood actor Harman Baweja has become very bad with time. After becoming a flop actor, he stopped getting work in Bollywood and due to this, he has been facing extreme poverty. Zaid Khan. Zaid Khan has not signed a single movie since 2015. He approached every producer, but no filmmaker is ready to work with him. This handsome actor has been facing an extreme shortage of money. Nana Patekar. Bollywood filmmakers stopped offering movies to Nana Patekar, who won Padma Shri and National Award 3 times. He has not been getting any work for the last 5 years and is now living in a financial crisis. Rahul Roy. After Ashiki, Rahul Roy worked in many films, but all of them were flops. Due to not getting films, Rahul's financial condition became so bad that he did not have money for his treatment. When he was hospitalized in 2020, Salman Khan had to pay his hospital bill. Anu Agrawal. Anu, who became an overnight star with her debut film, suddenly disappeared from films. By the way, due to an accident, she was in coma for several years. Due to lack of money, she took up another job and became an instructor.